Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling you about how to align the walls, how to use the offset command and how to use the trim command. So let me open Revit architecture. So this was my previous plan which I made it for showing you the curtain grids and curtain wall and mullions. Suppose let me go to the level 1. And this one is what I have created. Suppose today I'll be telling you first about align command. So for that what you need to do is, suppose this is the wall and this wall I need to align with this level, that is this level. Then what I will do is, I first of all need to go to the modify button and there I need to click on align, or its shortcut command is AL. I need to click on this align, and suppose I need to align to this level, so I'll click in this level, and after selecting this level, which wall I need to align it, this wall I need to align it. So you need to click on this wall after selecting the align level. See, this is how the wall has moved from its original position to that aligned position. In this manner we can align it. Click on unjoin. Okay, I have pressed cancel, so it has been cancelled. Suppose I need to align this wall and this wall, so what I'll do is click on align. If I need to move this wall to this level, then I'll click in this level first, then after that I'll click on this wall. See, now the wall has moved from each position to this position. Okay, in this manner we can align it. And suppose I need to move this wall up to this level, so I'll click on this level first, after that I will click on this wall. Okay, in this manner we can align, use the align command. So this is how we have aligned it. But these are the two different wall. One wall is this one and another one is this one. These are the two walls. Okay, so even I can use the join command for joining these two walls. Suppose this one I need to join it, and I can join it by the help of these two walls. See, I have joined it by the help of this join command. Okay, this is how we can use the join command, as well as we can use the align command. Okay, after that, suppose I need to let me create another wall. Let me go to the wall. Suppose this is the wall which I have created here. Suppose this is what wall I have created here. Actually this is not the wall, this is the storefront I have created here. If you go to the 3D view, you can check here. This is actually the glass wall, storefront wall. Okay, let me go to the level 1. Suppose I need to trim this portion, extra portion. So for that, again let me go to the modify button, and you have to click it here. See, this one is the button for both, that is trim as well as extend. So for that you can even click on the right shortcut key, that is TR, or you can simply click it here. Suppose I need to extend this portion, trim this portion. For that I need to keep this portion as well as this portion, so I will click on this portion as well as this portion. Okay, you have to always click on the two portions which you have to keep it. Then the portion in which I have not clicked, that portion will automatically get trimmed off. In the similar manner, suppose I need to trim this wall, but if I will click in this wall and this wall, then it will not get trimmed off. So for that, suppose I need to trim off each half portion, then what I will do is, I have to click it here, split element. As you can see here, split element, or its shortcut key is SL. you have to click it in SL or split element and split it. Okay, see, so as you can see here, now the wall has been split into two portions. See, this one is the one portion and this one is the another portion. Two portion you can see here. The wall has been split. Suppose I will show you in this fashion also. See, this one is one wall. If I use this command and I will split it here. See, this one is one portion, this one is another portion. In this manner we can split it into two equal halves. Now if I need to trim off this portion, then I can simply click on this line, trim or extend single element. For this one, trim or extend double element. Okay, so for trimming this portion, what I need to do is, as I have already split the elements into two sections, then you can, if you need to trim this element, then you can simply click on this element and press the delete button. Similarly, you can press I will again press Ctrl Z, and if you need to trim this element, then you can simply click on this element and press the delete button. Similarly, if I need to trim off this portion, I can simply click it here and I can press the delete button. In this manner you can even trim the unrequired portion by using the split element and delete by using the delete button, or else you have to use this trim command. Suppose, let me do one thing, let me show you by using some command. Suppose this one is one wall I have created. Okay, this one is not storefront wall. Suppose let me create one generic wall. Okay, this one is wall I have created. Now let me create, in order to create the same type of wall, what I need to do is click on this wall and type the CS in the keyboard. Then you can create the same type of wall. Suppose this is the wall I have clicked, then again this is the wall I have created, again this is the wall I have created. Okay, so if I need to even extend the wall from here to here or align the wall from here to here, I can use both the command. Either I can use the extend or I can use the align. So let me go to the modify button, and suppose I will use this button and I will click it here as well as here. See, the other portion gets trimmed off. Again let me press Ctrl Z, undo, and if I place it here and if I press this one, and the bottom portion, the top portion will get trimmed off. See, similar manner, if I click this portion and the top portion will remain, the bottom portion will get trimmed off. Similarly, if I click it here and I'll click the bottom portion, the top portion will get trimmed off for this, but it will always occur in the straight line. Suppose I will use the align button. Align up to this line, I have to align this one, it will automatically get extended. Okay, this is how we can use the align command as well as trim command. Suppose, but for this one is for trim and extending the similar. Suppose let me click again Ctrl Z. Suppose I need to use this one, trim and extend single element. Click it here and extend it. See, it will get extended. If you click it here, again extend it. But if I will click it here, it will not get extended because I have clicked it in this trim and extend single. Again I will show you by using Ctrl Z. If I will use this command, I have to click in this line and I have to press this line. If I will place directly this line, click on this line, it will not get extended. So for that, again you have to click in this line and click it here, click in this line and click in this line. Similarly, click in this line and click in this line. In this manner you can extend it for the single element. Suppose I will again press Ctrl Z and I will use multiple elements, this command, trim and extend multiple elements. So for that I have to simply click for the only one time in this line, and I can click this portion, this portion and this portion. All the three portions will automatically get attached in single click. I don't have to repeat 3 times the same procedure by clicking in this line. Okay, so I hope it's clear to all of you that trim and extend multiple elements, trim and extend single element, and trim and extend to corner, as well as how to split the element. Suppose I will split this line. See, this is the splitting the line. If I will split this line, see, after that I can even press the escape button 2 times and I can delete it. See, this is how you can delete it. I can delete this line, you can delete this line. This is how you can split it. Even I can split with a gap. Suppose I will click it here and I want to keep a gap from here to, see, this one I have splitted with splitted the wall with a gap. Suppose I will split it here also with a gap. So this is how the gap has been created by using split with a gap. Okay, after the, remember that in Revit architecture, after any command is over, you have to press the escape button 2 times in order to come out of the command. So this is, I hope it's clear to all of you how to use the trim command, how to use the multiple trim and extend for single trim and extend, and align command. Okay, so hope it's clear to all of you. So thanks for watching my video. If there is any doubt, then you can simply ask me in the comment section, and if you like the video, then please press the like button and share as much as possible. And thanks for watching my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. Thank you.